Can diabetics eat sugar, cakes and sweets? Learn to find low-sugar sweets. Some cakes and chocolates can have up to 50 or more sugar. Also, you can find chocolates with up to 70 or even 90% cocoa. But you can find dark chocolates and light cakes which are low in sugar. Once you get used to low-sugar alternatives, you will never go back. Sugar and diabetes, balancing sweetness with health. The relationship between sugar and diabetes is complex, with a constant debate going around the issue: can diabetics have sugar at all? Let's discuss both sides of the argument. Pros and cons of sugar for people with diabetes. It will help you make informed choices for your sweet tooth. Blood sugar spikes. Sugar and highly sugar-containing foods like cakes, energy drinks, candy, cookies, pies and cobblers, sweet rolls, pastries, and doughnuts, dairy desserts, such as ice cream and some yogurts, sweetened drinks, such as soft drinks, sports drinks, energy drinks, and juice drinks can spike your blood sugar beyond the healthy levels. This can raise blood sugar beyond the healthy level even in healthy people. After digestion, they flood your bloodstream with glucose, triggering insulin release. In people with diabetes, the body either doesn't produce enough insulin or can't utilize it effectively, leading to high blood sugar spikes. These spikes can damage blood vessels and nerves, eyes, and most of the others, contributing to long-term complications like heart disease, kidney disease, and vision problems. Is saving eyes from complications of diabetes worth the risk? Weight gain and insulin resistance. High sugar intake can contribute to weight gain, a risk factor for type 2 diabetes and worsening existing diabetes. Excess weight can also make your body even more resistant to insulin, creating a vicious cycle. Increased cravings and snacking. Sugary treats often lead to cravings for more, leaving you in a cycle of unhealthy snacking. This can make it harder to manage your overall calorie intake and blood sugar levels. Lack of nutrients. Sugary foods often lack essential nutrients like vitamins, minerals, and fiber that are crucial for overall health. Replacing sugary treats with healthier options can provide your body with the nutrients it needs. Benefits of sugar in moderation. I need to stress the word moderation. That does not mean adding sugar to every meal and every treat. That all depends on your blood sugar response after meal or treat. Quality of life and enjoyment. Completely eliminating sugar may lead to deprivation and feelings of missing out. Allowing yourself occasional, controlled favorite sweet treats can contribute to a happier and more balanced lifestyle. Hypoglycemia management. For people with type 1 diabetes, occasional sugar intake can help manage hypoglycemia or low blood sugar episodes, which can be dangerous. It is better to manage hypoglycemia or hypo episodes before it occurs. That means when blood sugar levels come to around 80 mg per deciliter or 4.2 mmol, you need to eat some complex carbohydrates. That way you can avoid the yo-yo effect of blood sugar going up and down after eating sugary drinks or eats after a hypo. Individualized needs. Every diabetic is different. Some may tolerate small amounts of sugar better than others, and a complete ban might not be necessary for everyone. Finding the balance. So, where's the middle ground? Here are some tips for managing sugar intake with diabetes. Focus on moderation. Enjoy small portions of sugary treats occasionally, rather than regular binges. Choose wisely. Opt for natural sugars like fruits or honey over refined sugar in processed foods. Pair with protein, good fats and fiber. Combine sweet treats with protein or fiber-rich foods to slow down sugar absorption and minimize blood sugar spikes. Good fats and good protein to reduce the sugar spike can include avocado. No sugar yogurt and fruits like berries. Read labels. Be mindful of hidden sugars in processed foods, even those labeled as sugar-free. Listen to your body. Pay attention to how your body reacts to different types and amounts of sugar. Adjust your intake accordingly. Consult your doctor. Always discuss your sugar intake with your doctor or registered dietitian. They can help you create a personalized plan that fits your specific needs and health goals. Remember, managing diabetes is about long-term healthy habits. While sugar isn't the enemy, being mindful of your intake and making informed choices can help you control your blood sugar, improve your health, and still enjoy occasional sweet treats without guilt. As much as possible, avoid artificial sweeteners. Taste the real coffee, real tea and real yogurt without it being masked by sugar. You will never go back to old way. If your kids learn the good habits from young age, they can avoid the hassle of diabetes. Do not forget to click the like button. Thanks very much for watching this video. Up above you see 2 videos related to health. It will be more helpful to you and your family. See you in the next video.